Kia ora koutou te whānau Awanuiārangi. We did it, whānau. Aotearoa has succeeded in moving down to alert level 1 and eliminating COVID-19 from our shores. This is a huge achievement for all of Aotearoa and shows what we can achieve when we work together. We have already explained what alert level 1 means for Awanuiārangi on an operational level. This video message is simply to say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of our kaimahi and tauira for your incredible commitment to teaching and learning with us as we moved through the COVID-19 alert levels. Thank you for your support and patience as we work through shifting the delivery of our programs online. I have been blown away by how our tauira and kaimahi have adapted to learning and working online and some of the innovative ways in which this was done. The way in which our kaimahi and tauira expressed our uara, manaakitanga, kaitiakitanga, whanaungatanga, pūmautanga e tumu whakaara, especially for our most vulnerable, was second to none. But most of all, thank you for following the rules and playing it safe. 23rd March saw us enter uncharted territory. No one knew where or when this crisis would subside. I acknowledge again that the past few months have not been without its challenges and significant sacrifice. A number of us have experienced loss in various forms. Some of us may have not been able to mourn the loss of loved ones the way we would have otherwise been able to. We had to wrestle with having to adapt our tikanga. Kanohi ki te kanohi had to be practiced in front of our computer screens. We could not visit marae or be with wider whānau hapu and iwi. I also acknowledged our tauira overseas, whose home countries are still trying to win the fight against the virus. Your Awanuiārangi family here in Aotearoa are thinking of you, supporting you, and we encourage you to stay connected with us. We know there will still be challenges ahead as Aotearoa now deals with the economic recovery post-COVID-19, but we must take every opportunity to celebrate the wins as they come. Right now, the win is reaching alert level 1. And with that, the ability to return to business as usual on our campuses. But of course, with some small precautions to keep our Awanuiārangi community safe. Lastly, before I sign off, I also urge you all to continue looking after your mental health. While we have overcome this virus and life is returning to some normality, some of the effects will be long-lasting. I encourage you all to call on the services available to you. No reire e te whānau, ko te tūmanako, kai te noho pai koutou, i roto i wā koutou kāina, e ai rāna kōrero mā te runga rawa tātou, e ārangi a tātou, i nā rā kai mui a tātou. Kia ora tātou.